How to change snake skin in Snake Rivals. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily customize it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, there's a section of snakes. Simply tap on snakes. Now, select the snake that you want to edit or add different skins to. So here I'm tapping on one, and here on the right bottom, tap on customize. So this is the place where you can add different colors and skins to the snake. So here simply tap and drop onto it, and here you can even customize the colors. So it's up to you and the way you want to customize. At last, tap on done and you're all set to go. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.